Myself, Ashish Sirsat, Naik Oven Manufacturing Company. I am the founder partner of this company. We have completed last year 25 years in manufacturing of bakery equipments. Mainly, we have rotary rack ovens, spirals, planetary mixers, and slicers. And we are introducing in recent past these deck ovens for all the home bakers and people who want to do pav, ladi pav out of the deck ovens. And we have been with the bakery business since inception. So we are very proud to be the number one stall always. And I think we have done almost all shows apart from one when my partner had a accident on his eye. But we are with everybody in bakery business. Hospitality first is our partner kind of. So we enjoy being in this show always, and we do always good business in this show. Thank you.